This video walkthrough will take a look at how to create and manage attributes. Attributes are similar to options in terms of being information that you can use as, say, specifications or details of a particular product. Unlike options, they will not force a customer to make a choice based on the information in an attribute, but it is very useful for using the product comparison feature, which is one of the features of OpenCart. In order to create attributes, you'll need to follow a two-step process. First is setting up the attribute group, and then the second part of that is setting up the attributes that sit within that group. So first of all, we'll set up the attribute group. We need to go to Catalog, the Attributes menu, and you'll see an option there for Attribute Groups. In order to create a new attribute group, you'll need to click on the Insert button in the top right-hand corner. You'll see it's not looking for a lot of information here. This is just a group, so all it's looking for is a group name. You'll notice here on our demo site we've got a couple of phones in the system here, so we're going to use these phones to demonstrate this feature. I'm going to do that by making the attribute group name phone specifications. We'll give that a sort order of 1. Once you've set up the group, just hit the Save button. And you'll see here, this is the group that we've just set up. So now that you've got the attribute group created, you need to put the attributes within that. To do that, you'll go to Catalog, the Attributes menu, and you'll see Attributes. Again, to create a new attribute, just click the Insert button in the top right-hand corner. See here there's a drop-down menu for attribute group, so you've got to tell it where this attribute's going to sit. So we're going to put it in phone specifications. Okay, so our first attribute for a phone is going to be the screen. So I'll save that one. What you need to do then is just keep on inserting new attributes for everything that you need. We'll give this one an sort order of 2. Okay, so now we've set up the attribute group of phone specifications, and we've told it a couple of attributes that we want to sit within that. Next thing you need to do is assign this to a product. So we'll go into our Catalog and Products menu, and here's our HTC Touch HD phone. Let's go and edit that one first, and we'll assign some attributes there. To do that, just click on the Edit button for the product, and then click on the Attribute tab across the top. You'll see here it's got an Add Attribute button. If you hit that, all you need to do now is start typing the attribute that we wish to have apply. And you'll get a drop-down menu that pops up with the available options underneath it. So you'll see we've got processor and screen are our 2 options. Under the text field, you just enter what text you want to have displayed. So you'll see here the processor and the screen type. So they've both been set up. We'll hit the Save button. We're going to do that to the Palm Trio Pro phone that's on here as well. We'll click Edit, and then onto the Attribute tab. Again, we're going to follow that same process, so hit the Add Attribute button, and put our text in for that. And then we'll pop our screen attribute in there as well. Again, once those attributes are set up, just hit the Save button. So now we've done that on a couple of products. Let's have a look at the front-end site, and we'll see how they interact. So what we've done is we've added attributes to the HTC Touch HD. So we're going to add that to our compare list. And then we also added it to the Palm Trio Pro. So let's add that to our compare list as well. So now if we go and have a look at our product comparison. If we scroll right to the bottom, you've obviously got all the product details that you enter as part of the normal product process. But down the bottom you can see our attribute group of phone specifications, and then the two attributes that we've set up here for screen and processor. Just allows for a really simple side-by-side comparison of the product according to whatever the attributes are that are important to that particular product. Allows really easy and convenient product comparison for your customers, and allows them to make the best choice. So certainly something that's worthwhile depending on the product. And that concludes this walkthrough for using attributes.